Yeah, baby. Welcome back to the Dog Pound. You have landed your ass in the Dog Pound. I am the Texas Rail Dog. We're here to rock and roll. Let's put it down on some vinyl, you heard? So today, you know me, are on some old 8-track shit. So, one of the first 8-tracks that I had in that little crushed velvet lined black case that they used to sell. Never understood why they put crushed velvet in a doggone black case. Nobody ever going to see it. It's going to be in the front of my car, sitting next to me in my 69 Chevelle. But anyways, I had the black case with the crushed velvet inside. The little lockbox. It had 8 tracks in it. And this is one of the first ones. Deep Purple. Machine Head. Yeah. And the record album covered, they were swirling, you know, like you just done dropped a hit of Mr. Natural or Orange Microdot or something, and you're all whammied out of your gourd. But, all right. Man, I'm down a rabbit hole already. All right, look. Please like, share, subscribe. I know I pestered y'all to get you to where we're at. We're at 103, man. And I thank y'all for it. I really do mean that. God bless you. Come on now. Bring it. Keep it real. Jesus is working. And give me some more. Come on. Come on. I want 1,000 by the end of the week. I ain't playing. So I'll keep on jamming and producing good stuff. You know, it's getting hard as an old dude like me that done been around so many blocks to find music that I ain't heard. And I forgot about this song. And then I remembered banging gears in whatever car I was driving. Man, I had so many cars back in the day. Could have been the 69 Charger. And having looking at the 8-track in the dash with Deep Purple on it. And knowing that Machine Head record had so many, Smoke on the Water, the baddest tunes out there at the time. You had your Black Sabbath, your Deep Purple, Thin Lizzy, Ram Jam. They was all putting it out right then. And them 8-tracks was right on top of the scene. Don't sleep on the 8-track. Don't forget about the 8-track. It matters. All right, it dang matters. Come on. Hey, come on. We're about to jam right now. Play if you want to. Trucking around the stars. You know what he's talking about. You know he's talking about getting high, right? Space trucking, man. There he is. Ready? Come on, man. Bring it. Come on. Well, that boy ain't jamming. Come on. What a good video. I like it. Come on, boys, give it up. Go ahead. Yeah, baby, space trucking. That's what's up. He gave it all up, man. 1972. Woo! That's 11 years old. Burning this up with a can of glue. Yeah, baby. Yes, that's what's up. That's what's happening. Dang. All right. Yeah, we ain't put it in like that for a minute. All right. You know where this at. Come on. We'll catch you on the flip-flop. Y'all stay toasted, amigos.